A viewer wants to know if she's a loser because she wants to move in with her mom and she's in her 20s. No, of course not. In this economic climate, as long as you're moving in with someone who's trustworthy and it's safe, definitely, and your mother's a great person to move in with. This is the situation. She has her eye on a really nice house but can't afford it, so she would split the cost with her mom, and then whenever she gets married later on down the road, she would then pay her mom what her mom put into the house. See, now that's where I have a little bit of a problem, because here you are getting into a financial entanglement with your mom, and that's okay, but you need to know what you're doing, because say the house appreciates and she wants more out of the house than what she put into it. Well, and that's fair. So what you need to do is make sure you speak with a lawyer, both you and your mom, speak with a lawyer before you enter into this agreement, and also know exactly what you're doing and what's going to happen when you buy your mom out in whatever, 5, 10, 15 years, whatever. Just make sure that you don't ruin your relationship with your mom over a financial commitment. Be careful. But if you handle it right, you both know what you're getting into, you get the advice of a real estate lawyer, and you go with a reputable title company, it should be fine. Good luck with your new house.